Alright, so this is my super old Trek 220, probably 7+ years old. I just installed brakes on it because I had no brakes because the rim has a bump in it, so it needs to be trued in line and everything. I have a lot of plans for this to make this a dope-ass wheelie bike, but it's going to take a lot of work. But I'm going to disassemble the whole entire bike for the most part and rebuild it up until it's some dope-ass bike. So it's going to need probably truing, seat, tires, tube, brake pads, brake lever, brake line. It's gonna need the oil suspension, might be busted. It's gonna need new cranks. It's gonna need a new sprocket. I already have a race-based one on the way. And definitely the derailleur needs to be adjusted like 100%. I'm gonna clean up the whole frame. It's about what it's gonna need, and obviously I'm gonna get either white walls or SE SoCal tires because I have a ripper and it'll be kind of be dope with it. But it'll be a cool build, I guess. See where it gets tonight, and then I'm gonna work on it more in different parts.
Dear mama, love you mama, so good. And grandmama, dear mama, I don't wanna sign up, no way. Out here getting commas, like my dad, I'm a grinder. She don't want me locked up, mama, I'm gon' wash up. Whip my wrist, it lock up. All my diamonds rocked up. I don't wanna sign up. Mama love me so I can't do no wrong. Mama in the trap, so this her favorite song. I'm gon' get them racks, little baby, they so long. Said I wasn't nothing, but I came in strong. You got the best advice, but I won't call. I know I'm grown, so I do not need y'all. I got it. And if I get locked up, I'm chasing the law. You fix everything, so that's what I thought. When I was small, mama made me tall. Even though I'm daddy pup, she still gon' wipe my paws. Don't care.
My voice. So I got the chain off. I'm just gonna disconnect the derailleur, take off the bars, stem, headset, all that. I don't have a a crank puller with me, so can't take those off right now. But the bike's gonna be stripped down literally to frame, cranks, and all of this. It's gonna be replaced by a single speed. Keep these pedals though, because I like these pedals. They're plastic. Bearings don't really matter, but they're still pretty good in them. But I'm gonna get it fully stripped, and then that will be the video for today.
About this money, don't care about them cars. Lose my mama, that's a problem you can't solve. Mama, I don't wanna sign off. No way. Out here getting commas, like my dad, I'm a grinder. She don't want me locked up. Mama, I'm gon' wash up. With my wrist it lock up. All my diamonds rocked up. I don't wanna sign up. Now I got the game in a headlock. Never catch me lacking, run with red lights. Bitch, we talking codes, we the real slime. They try to break my safe, I had a deadlock. Mama used to bag in the daytime. Mama got that bag by the nighttime. Was on 32nd Street, I was like 8th. Moved to Francisville and met my real friends. Mama said stay down there for her, you get here. That was way before I was Lil Uzi Vert. Mama saw me in action, it could got worse. I know that my mama.
I want to talk about a few things about the bike that I've already done, like a year ago when I was like trying to get this bike good, but then kind of quit. NV scooter grips, so they're like super soft, so they're like perfect for mountain biking for me. Wake mountain bike bars. These are the cheapest bars you'll ever find. They are $9.90 online. Shimano thumb shifter, and then stem is Beville, whatever that is. And then if you watch Seth's Bike Hacks, you'll know what these bar ends are. It is top 10 cheap hacks video. or upgrades. But next video I'm just gonna be cleaning everything and showing what I'll be putting on the bike. But that's about it. So just one quick overview of what I got done. Stripped the whole bike down besides brakes, because I just put those on before I started the video. Fork, 2 wheels, rims, whatever. Seat, bars, everything else, right? The colorway I will be going with is red and blue. I will be doing spoke skins. I'll be doing this whole bike, maybe reflexes, I'm not sure. It will be a dope bike though when it's done. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. Next video will probably be me cleaning, showing all the new parts I get in for, and etc. Peace.